Yes, hi, my name is Daniella, and I placed an order for the FM transmitter. It's the white one, and I just wanted to call you to tell you that it has to be one of the best things that I ever spent money on. It works phenomenal. The sound is great. I've used it in my car, in friends' cars. I've used it in my house, on my house radio, stereo. It's just an awesome product. I found you on YouTube and your video was so instructional. It explained everything in detail, even questions that I had and was unsure of whether to order something, online. You're never sure if you're going to get the product that you expect to get. This exceeded my expectations. I would definitely recommend it to a friend. And I had a question one time and I called you and within a half hour you called me back. Your service is great. Your product is great and, you're just all around great. Everything was perfect about the product. And like I said, you're going to get many clients because people couldn't believe the sound that they heard from this little transmitter. And, I just want to say thank you and continue the great job. And if you, come up with new products, feel free to email me because I would definitely buy other products from you because from what I see from this, you just have an awesome thing going on here. I can't say enough good things about you. It's just perfect. So thank you again for putting out something that was useful that I was able to use with my phone and listen to my music. And you also put a trust back into people that are iffy about ordering things online. So thank you again. Bye bye.